Nat, so welcome back to my channel, Fashion Meets Makeup. Today I have kind of a different video for you. So I was putting on my choker today, and as I looked at my other necklaces, I kind of was just, looking at how I customize some of them. And I realized that this may be obvious to some people that you can customize and change up your jewelry, but maybe to other people it may not be. I definitely used to not do that before. So basically when I would buy jewelry, and keep in mind, I never buy super expensive jewelry because it's just, I will either accidentally break it, I will accidentally lose it, or sometimes after a while you just get tired of stuff. And that kind of is how a lot of my jewelry tends to work out, is by the time I'm tired of it, it just kind of has worn out and we move on from it. So I buy a lot of jewelry from places like H&M, Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, Walmart sometimes, and sometimes you can get stuff super cheap. It's already cheaper because it's at those type of places, but when things go on clearance, man, I got this in a 3-pack for $2, and it's a cute little ribbon choker. It has the little clasp. Can you even see it? Yeah, see, so it has it on it, so it's an actual necklace. It's not just me randomly tying a ribbon, although you could do that if you want to. What happens with a lot of stuff at the mall, just in retail in general, and I worked at the mall for, gosh, like years. I used to work at Stride. I would see a lot of products. I used to buy a whole bunch of stuff at Hot Topic because it was right across from the store I worked at. And, it would be brand new. It would be like $8 to $12-ish, and then eventually everything, I'm telling you, like everything gets dropped down to clearance because then they need to move room for other product, for the new stuff that has just come in. So you can get really awesome deals for a lot of stuff. I bought a ton of like quality jewelry that you would probably go other places and pay like $30, $40 for, like something maybe at like a JCPenney or something like that. And it's like this nice jewelry, and you're like, yeah, I'll get it for $5. But it goes on clearance because they're trying to clear it out and bring in new stuff. Sometimes you'll see things, you're like, I kind of like that part of it, but I don't like that part of it. And that's where I'm going to show you how to customize your jewelry. First thing is, I bought this over here at Walmart. This, I want to say it was on sale for probably $3. $3 seems like the right price. So it is this gold necklace, and this is not real gold obviously because it was at Walmart, but it has this nice, pretty sturdy, thicker chain, and these are actually decently heavy. Like, it's not some flimsy little plasticky type of thing. It has these stones in here, and I bought it because it's iridescent. Doesn't that look cool? But when I bought this thing, it had so many of these stones. Like, they went all, like almost all completely around your neck. And I bought it a while ago and I was like, I like these little things, but this is just too much. And I actually brought one to show you. So it had, like 3 more of these on each side. And it just felt very top heavy, especially since I'm very short and petite. I'm only 5 foot tall, for those of you guys who don't know. When I wear things like this, it feels like it takes up too much of my space. What I did is I took, probably about 3 off of each side, and I think I actually rearranged these as well. So I put this kind of pointed one towards the middle right here, and now it's something that I actually like. And then I'm going to show you what I did to a couple other ones of these. This one I also bought at H&M. This came on a 2-pack, I want to say, and so it was some chokers. And it has this cord right here. It has the upper part of the choker right here, and then this one's a little bit longer, more of like a necklace, but it's all one piece. You can kind of see right there. And I really liked this idea, especially, I could wear it with this top right here where the charm would be about right there. But the actual charm on it was just this little random stone, and it almost felt like an awkward size for the size of this. Like, it was really small. So I put this lip charm on here, but it was like that big. It's like, what? So I really didn't like that, but because I liked the cord part of the necklace, it's like, I'm going to get that, and I'm going to go find a charm that I like and put that on. So that's exactly what I did. I picked up this over at Hobby Lobby. So it's this cute little lip charm. So these, you know, they're just charms. You could use it for a bracelet, necklace, earrings if you wanted to as well. And I went ahead and put it on there, but I think it's so cute now. I haven't worn it yet because I just did this recently, but I love it now. And I think it's super cute. I love lipstick. You guys know that. So now it's totally me because it has lips like lipstick. At Hobby Lobby, they have lots of charms. Also at places like Michael's. Also, if you live over in SoCal, you know, there's downtown LA where there's like the fashion district and all those jewelry stores and stuff like that. So there's lots of places where you can get little charms to kind of represent things that you like. The bonus part about this is I got it at Hobby Lobby. It was actually on sale. So it was only about like $2 and it was half off. At the time I was like, oh my gosh, this is super, super cheap. And again, with places like Michael's, lots of times they have like coupons or sales. So you can get stuff very, very inexpensively and then customize the jewelry to how you like it, and so it represents a part of you. Because I think that's the fun thing with accessories is you can customize it to, you know, things that you like. So when you're rocking it, you're like, oh yeah, I like this, and you guys can tell. Like this one right here, I put my little pug charm that I got. So I got this pug charm over at a pet expo, and the lady who is the vendor, she was super sweet, but she gave me this pug on a little chain like this. Yeah, I'm having a situation right here, but I need to untangle all these. But it was the silver chain like this. I've never liked this really bright silver like this. I like stuff that is just kind of more of like a worn look or like a pewter, but I've just never liked this. And I actually don't really even like these type of chains. I like stuff, you know, that is a lot more edgy or just kind of worn or rustic almost. So I had got this cord, and I think I bought it at Hot Topic. It had like a little planet on it, which is like, okay. It was cute, but just wearing stuff with planets, it's never been like my style, or that's not something I'm really into. So I was like, I like the cord, I think it's good, but I'm gonna find a charm and I'm gonna put it on so that it'll be more me. And now when I wear it, everyone's like, oh, you're wearing your pug necklace because you have a pug, and yeah, I get it. So it just makes it a lot cuter and a lot more fun to wear. And then this is the last one I'm going to share with you. So this was also on one of those chains, kind of like that silver one, but it was a shorter chain. It was like right up here, and it had this at the bottom, which is super cute. It's these silver lips. I've worn this thing a ton, so if you've known me for a while, you've probably seen this in pictures or in person, but I didn't like it right here. It's like, it's really big for the chain and it just feels awkward kind of high up, so I put it on this long chain that I don't even know what was on here before, but now I have it here, and now it's like a lower necklace. I can even layer it with different things, and I've worn this just with like a simple black top, and then I put this, and it like really stands out too because it is that silver color. And I'm just a lot more happy with these pieces because I've customized them. So next thing is, well, how do you do that? You can buy these over at Walmart. That's where I got them, and these were super cheap. They're just little jewelry tools. I've always wanted to get into jewelry, but I haven't actually made the commitment of purchasing, you know, like beads and chains and all that stuff. So I've kind of more so been tweaking things that I have. Or like I said, sometimes I've accidentally break stuff to maybe where I have something and I'll accidentally unhook one of these chains, so I can use these tools to fix it and put it back together so that I can wear it again. So it came with 5 little tools, but I don't know where the rest of them are, and these are really the ones that I use the most. It has this little guy. I don't know the names of any of these, so don't ask me that. But basically you can hook stuff on there to kind of like hold it, and then it has these parts right here on these ones where it's flatter in the, how do I show this to you guys? Oh, there we go. So this one's a smaller one, but it's flat, so it can grab onto the jewelry. Also in this one as well. And then you just get it and you can turn it to kind of close the little fasteners back up, so when you're adjusting it. But this has been super helpful for me, and I just like a lot of the pieces that I have now a lot more because I was able to customize them. So I thought I would share this with you guys. Like I said, I got these over at Walmart in a little 5-pack, but I'm sure you can get them at like Hobby Lobby and of course Michael's and places like that. But that's it for today. If you do end up doing this to any of your jewelry, go ahead and let me know. Send it to me on one of my social media accounts. I would love to see it. That's it for right now, and I will see y'all later. Bye.